Okay, this is the fourth time I'm making this video because I keep forgetting things. Okay, this is your gumball. This, you can move it with an arrow. You can grab an axis and move it along the axis. Red corresponds with red axes, etc. You can scale along an axis. You can rotate along an axis. Cool. You can also do two axes at once for moving with these boxes. If you get to the right angle, they'll show up, and then you can use them. You can also hold Alt and click and drag. You can see that plus above my cursor. That'll duplicate things in any direction. You can also duplicate an object like this. And you can also duplicate it with rotating, right? Yeah. And you can also do this, where if you hold Control and Shift and click, then you can move things, like just a piece. So you can move just a face, you can move just a edge, you can move a point, you can move multiple at a time. Yeah, so, and it's all one object still, one closed polysurface. Okay, and then you can, if you do Control Shift on a face, you get the circle pop up sometimes. See them? And then you can extrude in that direction, or in this direction. See how it didn't copy this piece because I didn't select it, but you can select both and extrude it, and it'll be one piece. It won't have like a seam here. So yeah, you can get some weird things happening when you do that. So I made an arc, or an arch, I mean. Yeah, there you go. Whatever you do with these gumballs, so you can just click on it and type the value you want. So if I want to move it up 10, I can do that. If you want to scale it by 2, you can just type a number and it'll do it. So you can be exact with it. So yeah, you can drag it or you can type a number and it'll do it. And you can do that with an angle. So if I just want to go 90 degrees, that works. You can also, when you're rotating, hit Shift and it'll snap for you. Or you can turn on ortho down here and it'll automatically snap for you, and then if you hit Shift then it won't snap. I never use ortho though, I just hold Shift when I want to do things.